freezing out here.
Cheers.
So the last couple of days we've been exploring Shinjuku, but today we're going to Shibuya, I believe. So apparently there's quite a lot of shops and it's very good for shopping. So I cannot wait. Shibuya. I think we're gonna get some like breakfast now. So right now we're outside the biggest everything store in the world. It's called Mega Donkey. I cannot wait to go inside. Just a whole wall of pins, then more pins. Pretty crazy. So I just found these metal pencils, and I'm pretty sure that they have some kind of chemical where it doesn't use lead, but there's two things that mix and then cause a chemical reaction that allows it to light. I think I'm gonna get this. What? So we're in this retro gaming store right now. They have a DS, a 3DS, a GBA SP, another 3DS, Nintendo Lite. And they have all these PlayStation games, PS3 games, DS games, some Game Boy games. And I'm thinking about getting a DS. I just found this Pokemon Gold for 1,990 yen, which is a steal. So just got out of the retro gaming store and Pokemon Gold is secured. I am so stoked. It cost me about $20 and it's worth around like 50 to 80 New Zealand dollars. So happy. So this is dinner. 2 pieces of fried chicken, juice, and then a mango ice cream for dessert. It will be very delicious.